bought one of these. Not very exciting, but expensive. Right now I'm making these. What is it about vacuum and cutting aluminum? These two are scrap, by the way. These are really well on there. This one is not, but this one was on there a second ago. So I can't really, if I do get this, if I do get it off, I can't put it back. It won't stick at all. So how come it's on there so good? So it's off. I'm gonna do that, do that. There's nothing there. If I put this back, even if I try to get it exactly, I can still do that. What is going on? Does the aluminum dig into the HDF somewhere? I don't know. Any ideas? Gotta be that the aluminum digs into the HDF somewhere, because I can't move these unless I do like that. Now I can. That's crazy. Can't move it, but if I do that, dink. Huh.